I'm pretty sure that you have heard of all of the mess that has been happening with crypto exchanges for the past couple of weeks. However, it actually looks like things might be getting better, especially as they relate to Shib. So if you are in the mood for some good news, make sure to keep watching this video till the end. Disclaimer: if you watched my last video, you would be aware of the huge BlackRock news. If you didn't, you should watch it because it was really interesting. But by way of summary, BlackRock, which is arguably the largest financial institution in the world, recently made huge investments in Bitcoin. They bought into MicroStrategy, a company that is famous for being the company with the largest Bitcoin investment. So yeah, BlackRock is into crypto now, but there's more. BlackRock has filed for spot Bitcoin ETF, and Coinbase is going to be its crypto custodian. So more than just investing in a company that owns a lot of Bitcoin, BlackRock is taking things a step further by deciding to offer its customers actual crypto services. This is quite peculiar because there is still a lot of contention about the validity of crypto as a safe investment option. Many governments have still not decided to legalize trading crypto, with some outrightly banning it. But BlackRock has decided to go all out for crypto. According to CNBC News, the firm filed an application with the US Securities and Exchange Commission to launch the iShares Bitcoin Trust. If approved, the ETF would allow easy access for investors to get exposure to crypto in a product from one of Wall Street's largest companies. The implication of this move is huge for the crypto market, with the most immediate being the validity that it gives. If BlackRock is investing in crypto, it has to mean that it is a viable investment option. That said, before we get ahead of ourselves, you should know that the SEC is not a fan of organizations wanting to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US. The regulator has resisted such petitions in the past and is currently in battle with a different organization over the same issue. So there is a significant possibility that they might prevent BlackRock from launching a Bitcoin ETF. But then again, BlackRock is a really big deal. It's difficult to think of the SEC standing in its way. If you found this really valuable, please drop a comment and share this video with friends. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, thus helping me to keep increasing the quality of the videos. That said, we still all have to keep our fingers crossed on this one, hoping that BlackRock's position in the financial market would stop the SEC from trying to stand in its way of launching a Bitcoin ETF. However, even if they got no resistance from the SEC, ETFs usually take months to launch after they have been filed. So this is not something that we should be expecting to see anytime soon. Interestingly though, just the simple fact that BlackRock is interested in launching a Bitcoin ETF is enough to give crypto more legitimacy. After all, by wanting to launch a Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock is basically saying that it considers Bitcoin a safe investment. So even before that ETF gets launched, we might start to see more people flock into the crypto market. I have to mention at this point though that this is not financial research. Make sure to do your own research. There's something else that is quite interesting about this BlackRock move, and that is how Shiba Inu comes into play in all of this. According to CNBC, Coinbase is listed as the Bitcoin custodian for the proposed BlackRock ETF. BlackRock has an existing strategic partnership with Coinbase. The companies announced last year that Aladdin, BlackRock's institutional investment platform, would be connected to Coinbase Prime for crypto trading and custody. So basically, Coinbase is a very important factor in BlackRock's move into the crypto market. Now, as you might remember, Coinbase is currently in trouble with the SEC, same as Binance. The crypto exchange is being investigated for fraudulent activities, and this suit has left many crypto holders worried about what it means for the future of Coinbase. But with BlackRock in partnership with the exchange, it has to mean that they are here to stay, right? Think about it. BlackRock is the biggest asset management company in the world. They manage assets for some of the biggest companies including Apple and Amazon. So if there is one thing that BlackRock has to be good at, it is making the right investment decisions. This company with this kind of pedigree would not logically enter into a partnership with a company that would soon be out of operation, would they? But what does this have to do with Shiba Inu? Well, first off, Coinbase does own a significant amount of SHIB tokens. Granted, it isn't the largest SHIB holder or anywhere close, but it holds enough that if it has to close and sell, it could affect the price of SHIB. So it is a good thing that the exchange might be around for much longer. More importantly though, Coinbase has actually shown personal interest in SHIB through the years. For one, not too long ago, Coinbase added SHIB to its app name on the App Store. That is, if you went to download Coinbase, It would be stated there that the exchange offers SHIB trading services among a number of other prominent currencies, and that just goes to show how much importance Coinbase places on SHIB. In addition to that, Coinbase has experienced what it feels like to have the Shiba Inu community support. But before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck! If you were here when Coinbase listed SHIB for the first time, you would remember that Coinbase immediately hit number 1 on the App Store as a result. So Coinbase and Shiba Inu have a mutually beneficial relationship, which we can expect to extend to this deal with BlackRock. With all that has been happening between crypto exchanges and the SEC, there's no way to know which crypto exchange would make it out intact. Some of them would definitely have to be dissolved if evidence of fraud is found, but if BlackRock has chosen Coinbase, it might be the last exchange standing. So it is a good thing that Shiba Inu has a good relationship with Coinbase, don't you think? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Meanwhile, analysts have been trying to make projections to figure out how big of an impact BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF could have. For some background, BlackRock launching a Bitcoin ETF would mean that we would have a crypto ETF listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So you can understand how huge this opportunity is. Many never even believed that this was within the realm of possibility. Anyway, some of the analysts think that we can compare BlackRock's move to launch a Bitcoin ETF to the first time a gold ETF got listed on the New York Stock Exchange. A look at the chart reveals a gradual but insane increase in the price of gold after it appeared on the New York Stock Exchange. And even though there were drops here and there because it is a financial market after all, the price of gold went back to the depths that it hit before it appeared on the stock exchange market. Knowing this, it sounds like we might have that to look forward to, the price of Bitcoin basically exploding. This of course depends on BlackRock actually launching that ETF, which we are still keeping our fingers crossed for. Anyway, if that happened and the price of Bitcoin pumps, we can expect the same to happen with SHIB. And that's really because typically when the price of Bitcoin pumps, the same happens with SHIB. What's more, with more people entering the crypto market thanks to BlackRock giving it more credibility, we might start seeing people consider SHIB a viable option. For one, the Shiba Inu market is a thriving one with many different projects in the works, all in the bid to improve the ecosystem. But probably its biggest draw is the fact that it is one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies to get. And with the launch of Shibarium, even its transactions would be some of the most affordable in the crypto market. What's there not to love? So if you are in the Shiba Inu market right now, you need to decide whether or not you want to hold onto your tokens till things get better. Considering all that is coming, holding your tokens might be the right choice. But this is not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and leave a comment in the comments section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.